Introducing our latest product. Eco-friendly natural bamboo toothbrush. Protect your dental health while keeping the environment safe with EcoBravo's reusable bamboo toothbrush. Made out of 100% natural bamboo and organic charcoal, this toothbrush will help you keep your bathroom routine safe and healthy. Leave the dangerous disposable toothbrushes in the past and embrace greener and cleaner future with EcoBravo. Completely safe and entirely plastic-free, our bamboo toothbrush is exceptionally easy to store and maintain thanks to its ergonomic design. It comes with 2 free replacement heads and a reusable bamboo case that is capable of withstanding the concussions and drops often associated with transportation. This also makes it perfect for prolonged business trips, vacations and hikes. Available now on ecobravo.co.uk.